your trusted source for the latest news, reviews, and deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Whether you're an adventure rider, daily commuter, or weekend trail explorer, we've got content that fuels your passion. Today, we're turning the spotlight on the 2025 Honda CRF 300L, a dual-sport machine that continues to set the benchmark for lightweight, versatile, and budget-friendly adventure bikes. If you've been wondering whether this latest iteration is worth your attention, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. Overview: the dual sport that does it all. The CRF 300L has long been praised for its perfect balance of street usability and off-road capability, and the 2025 model takes that philosophy a step further. Designed for riders who want one bike to do it all, from commuting to weekend trail riding, the CRF 300L sits in that sweet spot of being approachable for beginners, yet capable enough to satisfy seasoned off-road riders. Honda's 2025 update is not a radical overhaul, but rather a refinement of what already works, with subtle improvements to performance, ergonomics, and overall ride quality. Engine and performance, reliable power, refined delivery. At the heart of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is the tried-and-true 286cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. This motor carries over from the previous model but comes with minor refinements in ECU mapping and throttle response. These tweaks enhance low-end torque and mid-range power delivery, making the bike feel more responsive without sacrificing its characteristic smoothness. While it may not be a powerhouse, the CRF 300L shines in how efficiently it delivers usable power, especially in low-speed off-road situations and city traffic. It's not built for speed but for control and confidence, and in that arena it continues to excel. The 6-speed gearbox remains crisp, and the assist-push slipper clutch reduces lever effort while preventing rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. Chassis and suspension, built for adventure. The 2025 CRF 300L carries forward its semi-double cradle steel frame, which is lightweight yet rugged enough for the kind of abuse dual-sport riders tend to throw at their bikes. One of the biggest advantages of this frame design is how it translates to a nimble, predictable feel, both on dirt trails and city streets. Suspension duties are handled by a 43mm Showa inverted fork up front and a Pro-Link rear shock, both offering just over 10 inches of travel. These components are not fully adjustable, but they're well tuned out of the box for a mix of comfort and capability. For the 2025 model, Honda has slightly revised the damping characteristics to better absorb sharp hits without compromising road comfort. It's a small change, but one experienced riders will appreciate. Braking and tires, capable stopping power. Stopping power is provided by a 256mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, paired with optional ABS. The ABS system can be switched off for the rear wheel, a critical feature for serious off-road riders who want full control when navigating loose terrain. This flexibility makes the CRF 300L feel more like a purpose-built trail bike, not just a street bike with knobby tires. Speaking of tires, the 2025 model retains its 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheel combo, which allows for a wide variety of dual sport and off-road tire options. Whether you're tackling gravel roads, muddy trails, or pothole-riddled urban streets, the CRF 300L is equipped to handle it all. Ergonomics and comfort ride all day. One of the standout qualities of the 2025 Honda CRF 300L is how comfortable it is, even for longer rides. Honda has fine-tuned the rider triangle to strike a better balance between standing control off-road and seated comfort on pavement. The seat height remains tall at around 34.7 inches, which might be a challenge for shorter riders, but it contributes to excellent ground clearance and a commanding view of the road or trail. Honda has also slightly reshaped the seat foam to reduce pressure points, and the bike features updated rubber-mounted handlebars to cut down on vibration. Combined, these small ergonomic updates make a big difference on longer rides or when navigating rough terrain. Technology and features. Simplicity. That works. The CRF 300L isn't overloaded with tech, and that's part of its appeal. It's a simple, rugged machine designed to keep you focused on the ride. The LCD digital display is carried over and remains easy to read, showing your speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and more. There are no ride modes, traction control, or TFT screens here, and honestly, that's exactly how many riders like it. What you get instead is bulletproof reliability, low maintenance costs, and a machine that you can drop, pick up, and keep riding without fear of breaking delicate electronics. Fuel economy and range, built to go the distance. One of the big advantages of the CRF 300L is its incredible fuel efficiency. The 2025 model continues to deliver around 70 to 75 mpb, miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. With its 2.1-gallon fuel tank, you can expect a range of around 140 to 150 miles on a full tank. Plenty for a day of trail riding or daily commuting without frequent fuel stops. This efficiency, combined with the bike's reliability and low running costs, makes the CRF 300L one of the most economical dual-sport bikes on the market today. Price and availability, still a budget hero. Honda has kept pricing extremely competitive. The 2025 CRF 300L is expected to retail at around $5,749 USD, with the ABS version costing slightly more. This puts it well within reach of new riders, budget-conscious commuters, and anyone looking to add a versatile second bike to their garage. The combination of affordability, reliability, and performance makes this bike hard to beat in its class. Availability should begin in late 2024 or early 2025, depending on your region, with most dealers receiving units during the first quarter of the year. Final thoughts. Who is this bike for? So, who is the 2025 Honda CRF 300L really for? The answer is simple. Almost everyone. Whether you're just getting into dual sport riding, need a dependable commuter that can double as a weekend trail explorer, or want a lightweight adventure companion for backcountry roads, the CRF 300L delivers. It's not a high-performance enduro bike, nor is it a highway tourer, but it doesn't pretend to be. What it is honest, capable, and endlessly fun to ride. Honda has kept things simple, focused, and affordable. And in today's world of increasingly complex motorcycles, that's a refreshing approach. Outro. Thanks for watching Bike Updater Pro. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the 2025 Honda CRF 300L here on Bike Updater Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more motorcycle updates, and drop a comment below to let us know what you think about the new CRF. Are you planning to pick one up, or are you holding out for something different? Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.